There are two major mentalities about wealth. At yun ay tawagin natin na mayaman and mahirap mentalities. At ang pag-uusapan natin ay hindi mayaman at mahirap na tao, kundi mayaman at mahirap na pag-iisip. So check your mentality kung pang mayaman o pang mahirap. Mahirap mentality says, money is the root of all evil. Minamasama ng mahirap mentality ang pera. To the mahirap mentality, wealth is bad. Meanwhile, the mayaman mentality says, money is the root of much good. In fact, money is tool for much good. So sa mayaman mentality, wealth is good. Proverbs 10:15, great wealth can be a fortress, but poverty is no protection at all. Ang mayaman mentality, sinasabing people become rich because of hard work, and of course, because of God's blessings. Hard work, in other words, brings wealth. But you don't only work hard, because maraming people who work hard don't become wealthy. You also have to work smart. Hindi sapat na pagod ka, hirap na hirap ka, hinahampas mo ang sarili mo sa trabaho. Hindi ibig sabihin makakaahon ka sa hirap. Kailangan nag-iisip ka rin, may diskarte ka. Ito bang pinagpapaguran ko, hahanguin ako sa hirap, o nakatali lang ako dito? Kumakain lang ako ng konti para mabuhay bukas, para magtrabaho uli. At kakain ako ng konti para mabuhay uli sa makalawa, para magtrabaho uli. Hanggang kamatayan mo na yon. Kailangan iniisip mo, ano ba itong ginagawa ko sa buhay ko? Saan ako dadalhin itong ginagawa ko, nitong hanap buhay ko, nitong trabaho ko? Mahahango ba nito ako sa hirap? Because God blesses and rewards hard work and intelligence and thinking and wisdom. Pinagsasama-sama yun. Ecclesiastes 5:19, suppose you are very rich and able to enjoy everything you own. Then go ahead and enjoy working hard. This is God's gift to you.